Tiffany, and you know that feeling when you get a mystery package from Disney? I wonder what's in it. Let's open it up. Oh my god. There's so much in here. What? What? Okay, let's start with... What is this? It is a humongous Yoda that says, Yoda one for me. This is adorable. I love this. He's huge, and I think he stands up. I think Lulu is going to have a blast with Yoda for the rest of her life. He is so big. Oh gosh. And then we have a size medium sweatshirt that has Han and Leia and says, I love you. And, oh gosh, a size medium tank with Chewbacca that says, I'm lost without you. Did I miss something? No. And then we have mugs that say, I love you, I know, that feature Han and Leia. Adorable. And then there's something in this styrofoam. Don't know what it is. Open carefully, fragile parts, it says. Oh, this is really super cool. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. They are, Han and Leia bookends that say, I know, and it's really super heavy. It's like super heavy metal. And this one says, I love you. Those are so cute. This was so fun. These are all like love themed, like Valentine's-ish items from Shop Disney. I think that's where you can find all of this. So check all these out. These are so cute, and they're all Star Wars, which is super cool because we love Star Wars around here. Yeah, there will be photos and full reviews on fashionablynerdy.com, so go check that out. And I love you guys. Thank you so much to Disney. What a lovely surprise. And we will see you next time on Fashionably Nerdy. Click like, click subscribe.